Today I want to teach you how to create a 2D character that shows the front view, back view, and also the side view. Now, to create a 2D cartoon character, you have to upload your image on ChatGPT. Okay, using this plus icon, you click at the photos, then you upload your image. This is the image of a celebrity. Now I want to generate the front view, side view, and also the back view of this character. But before I do that, I'll first of all convert this realistic image to a 2D cartoon character. Now let's include the first prompt. This is the first prompt. Create a detailed 2D cartoon version of this image that looks like a modern animated movie style. So you click at this generate icon. As you can see, the image is generating. Now once you are done generating or converting the realistic image into a 2D cartoon character, the next step is to transform the image into what? Into a modern Scooby-Doo cartoon style. So let's wait for the image to generate. As you can you see how beautiful it is? Now this is the video. Okay, now we are done generating and converting this image into a 2D cartoon character. Now what are we going to do next? Now we are going to use the second prompt. This is the second prompt, which is to transform this image into a modern Scooby-Doo cartoon story. Okay. As you can see, it's generating. Now once we are done transforming this image into a modern Scooby-Doo cartoon story, then we now use the other prompt to generate all the side of this character. Okay, all the sides. We generate the side view, we generate the front view, we generate the back view, we generate every side of this character. Now let's wait for the image to generate. As you can see, we have transformed this 2D cartoon character, which is the video, into a Scooby-Doo cartoon story. Now we'll now use the next prompt, the last prompt, which is this one. Okay, so we are going to use this prompt to derive or to generate the different side of what of this character. So we are going to click to this generate button. Now this will help in providing all the side of this character, the front side, the back side, and every side of what of the, you can see now from the prompt given to you. You can see it front view, we have side view, we have back view, and so on. So this will provide all the views of this very character. Now let's wait for the image to what to generate. Now as you can see, the image as what has been generated. Now you can see the different side of this character. Look at the first image, the realistic image. We converted it to what into what a 2D cartoon character. We now transform it into what a modern Scooby-Doo cartoon story. Now we will now generate all the side of this character. Now what are you going to do? You can save this image through here. Okay, you can use this to what to generate your what your 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 character. Like if you want to show the different part of what of this character, like if you want to show when he's going, if you want to show when he's coming, if you want to show when he's moving to the left side, if you want to show when he's moving to the right side, with the help of this you can be able to achieve that. Now if you want to download this one, you click at it and you click save. It will be what it will save to your what to your gallery. Okay, now you can also save this other one also. So this is how you can be able to animate your character in different side. How you can create a character in different position, both the left, right, front, back, and so on. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, share this video so that this video will get to more people. And also I have a complete course. If you really want to know more about animation and video editing, I have a complete course on how you can use AI to generate different kind of what videos. Okay, the link in the description below for you to have access to that course. The course is fully loaded. I'll teach you everything you need to know about AI. I'll also teach you everything you need to know about animation. Now if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next class.